welcome to Shopping with Shana.
Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a Meijer must-do deals video for you that runs from August 14th through the 20th of 2022. And I really wanted to get this video out for you on the 14th because the 14th and 15th, we are seeing a flash sale. So there are tons of items and digital coupons and all those types of things that you definitely want to go check out. It's only a 2-day sale. There's things like Barbie, Nerf, $130 off TVs, 50% off of certain items, school supplies. I've got a couple of deals for you, but there are so many more that you definitely want to go check out because you might be wanting those. So do me a huge favor, if you want to keep seeing Meijer videos, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. And we're going to jump right in and check out what's happening with this flash sale as well as some other deals that are happening all week long. All right, so first I want to start out, we're going to look at flash sale items since that is the very first thing that's going to happen. Again, if you are watching this after the 15th, you may want to fast forward a little bit because some of these deals will not be good because the flash sale is over on the 15th. So you've got the 14th and 15th to grab this, but you can see we have things like rugs for 20% off, $100 off of a trampoline, 25% off of Jurassic World toys, $50 off a bike. I'm going to show you some examples of these, but again, I didn't have time to go through every single flash sale one and get this video out to you. So if there's something in particular that you like, you may want to go double check the items yourself. So let me show you the couple of things that I did find that I think are decent deals. So school supplies in general, I know it's school supply time. Many of you already even have kids in school again. My kids start on Thursday. I know a lot of schools have gone back in the last week, if not going back this next week. But Meijer has a 15% off of your total purchase of school, office, and art supplies. As you can see, we have some really, really great prices. 99 cents for markers, 55 cents for some glue sticks. You have 55 cents for the crayons. You have the pocket folders for 59 cents as well as the Portfolio 2 pocket with metal prongs for 29 cents. We've got the composition notebooks for 59 cents. You have just regular notebooks there for just 39 cents, colored pencils for 99 cents. You have those sharpeners for 49 cents. So many great deals, and of course just add that extra 15% off. Now, one recommendation for you is make sure you have everything you want in the same transaction so that 15% off coupon can come off of every single item. So make sure you get everything that you need. All right, so one of the school supply deals I wanted to put together for you is the Bic pens. Grab 3 of them, the 8 packs. They're on sale for 99 cents, but they're normally priced at $1.79. There's that 15% off in-perk. That is a store in-perk so that you can pair it with a manufacturer coupon. There is a 2 off 3 coupon in Smart Source 87. So putting those together with these packs of pens, it's 52 cents total, or basically 17 cents each, which is a really, really great deal. I went into Fetch. Fetch did have a 3 back on 2. My Fetch is gone. Double check and see if your Fetch is still there, and you may still get 3,000 points when you buy 2 items. And if that's the case, this could be really, really amazing, but I did not have that any longer there. All right, this is another great deal. I kind of feel like this one is you get the zipper binder for almost regular price, and then you get like a free subject notebook. So 5-star zipper binders are regularly priced $17.99, no sale price, and 5-star 1-subject notebooks are $3.99. Now these are a little bit higher quality products if you want something that's going to last throughout the school year. The total comes to $21.98, but 15% off comes off with that in-perk, making your out-of-pocket $18.68. And then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 2. It's a limit of 1 time. It has reloaded for me like a million times, but final cost ends up being $17.68 total. And like I said, I don't want to split that evenly because the binder is so much more expensive. But if you kind of look at it this way, that you get the binder for a little bit of savings plus a free notebook, it's a really great deal. So this next school supply deal is really, really hot. The TI-84 Plus CE graphing calculator. If you are needing one of these tend to be quite expensive, obviously. Regularly priced $139.99. There's a $40 savings in just the sale price, $99.99. And you can use 2 in perks. One is the 15% off in perk, and that takes off like $15. It's crazy. And then there's the 10 off 1 in perk. Both of them do come off. I did throw it in my cart online just to see what would happen to make sure they both came off. And as you can see in the picture at the bottom, they both did come off, making that final cost $74.99. So if you are needing to purchase a very expensive calculator, you may want to be heading to Meijer. We have a deal on Nerf Guns going on. There is a in-perk for buy one, get one. Of course, it's attaching to about 1 million things, so it's kind of hard to put together a deal. But if you want to get the most for your money and you want to get some really nice, expensive Nerf guns, I would go for like the higher, more expensive Nerf, like the Nerf Ultra Select. This is a regularly priced item of $62.99, but buy one, get one. You're going to grab 2 of them for the $62.99 or $31.50 each, which is really, really great. Definitely do not waste this buy one, get one on a $62 or $63 Nerf gun and then grab like a $5 or $10, bullets or something like that. The bullets will come off as free and you're going to still have spent $62. So I personally think it's a better deal to grab 2 of the more expensive Nerf guns and then, buy the bullets in a separate transaction or something like that when they're only $5 or something. You're going to get a lot more for your money. And honestly, you could just like resell the gun and get that money back. I don't know. It's just a suggestion. You could probably resell it for $40 or $50, one of them and keep the other, something like that. So a really, really great deal here for that buy one, get one. We also have a really great deal on TVs. The Element 43-inch Roku TV is regularly priced $299.99. We have 130 off 1 in perk, making that final cost $169.99. That's a huge savings. And if you need a TV, it might be a great time to grab one right now. All right, bikes are also a part of this flash sale. So there's $50 off in perk on bikes that are 20 inches or larger. So do take note, it does have to be 20 inches. There's a lot of like 12-inch and 16-inch bikes that are also big at Meijer, but this $50 will not come off. So I put a couple of options for you. You have the Huffy 20-inch Girls Granite for $139.99. You have the Jasmine Meltloid, however you say that, $149.99. A Schwinn. I didn't mean to buy or to put up all girls bikes, but apparently I did, for $199.99. So, there's lots of different options. It's hard to put that together, but just take $50 off. So the $199.99 would now be $149.99 and so forth. Adidas metal bottles are regularly priced $25.99. We have a 50% off 1 in perk, making that final cost just $13. We might need to be grabbing some batteries here, and why not just really stock up on a 24 pack. So you want to grab 2 of the Meijer PowerCell 24 pack of batteries. They can be AA or AAA, or you can grab 1 of each, obviously. They're regularly priced $15.99. There's a buy one, get one 50% off in perk, making the final cost $23.99 total or $11.99 each. So, basically $12 each, not a bad deal. We also have a deal on the Lake and Trail Basic Sports Chairs. Grab 2 of them for this particular deal. They're regularly priced $14.99. Use the buy one, get one 50% off in perk. Final cost ends up being $22.49 total or $11.24 each. And of course, this is on camping chairs in the sporting goods section for the in perk. So you could do even different chairs if you want to, but this is one of the cheaper versions. All right, this is not a terrible deal. Actually, I think it's a pretty good deal. The Bedhead Triple Barrel Deep Waver. It's like a hair waving type thing. Anyway, it's regularly priced $54.99. It's on sale for $49.99. We have a 40% off 1 in perk. Final cost ends up being $29.69. That's a huge savings from that $55 original price. All right, so if you have not done this deal, you have a few more weeks to grab it. The OptiFree Solution 2-ounce, regularly priced $3. There is a 3-off-1 in perk. Final cost ends up being free. I grabbed it like a week or two ago. You will find it in the travel section, so if your Meijer has a travel section, it's just a little small 2-ounce box of this solution, and the 3-off-1 comes off, no problem. Like I said, I've already done this deal, and it works perfectly. We also have another new freebie with just clipping the Imperk, the Airwick Scented Oil Gadget. It's regularly priced $208, but it's going to be completely free with that free Imperk. All you have to do is clip it and find it. That's going to be the big key. If you are, check back at your store. If it's not available, they may get more in. But luckily, we only have the 14th and 15th to grab this particular one, so you want to make sure you grab it quickly. We also have the Wick Oil Warmer, regularly priced $3.69. There's $1.50 off one in perk. Again, this is part of that flash sale. It will end on the 15th. Final cost ends up being $2.19. We have the Fairlife Filtered Plain Yogurt 24-ounce, regularly priced $4.99. You're going to pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for $5 back on one. It's a limit of one time, making it completely free. I've told you about this one like every week for like the last, I don't even know, 3 months. I mean, I have still yet to get mine because my store still isn't carrying them. Like they're supposed to, but they won't get them in, or they're selling out real quick or something. So luckily this freebie has not disappeared, and eventually one day maybe they'll reload and I can grab my freebie. We also have the Lunchables. You want to grab 3 of them. They're regularly priced $2.59. They're actually just $1.67 or $1.66 each when you buy 3 or more. Out of pocket, you'll pay $5 total, and you'll receive $1 Catalina. It ends up being $4 total, or $1.33 each. If you grab 7 of them, it ends up being like 11 something out of pocket, but it ends up being just a few cents cheaper per Lunchable because you're going to get back a $3 Catalina. So again, if you are wanting to really stock up, 7 would be the better deal out of all of this. We also have a great deal on the Serious Beans. You want to grab 3 of them. You don't have to grab the Dr. Pepper, but because I have heard those are kind of nasty from a few people, but there's other selections there. They're regularly priced $1.69. There is a buy one, get 2 free in perk. So you're just going to pay for 1 of them and you're going to get 3 of them, or basically it's going to be just 56 cents each, which is a pretty awesome deal. We have a really great deal here on the Dial Body Wash. So you want to grab 3 of them for this particular deal. They're regularly priced $4.69. That total is going to take you up to $14.07. Dial has a deal this week that when you spend 12 or more, you're going to get $3 off instantly. So at that point, $3 comes off. Then we have a 3 off 2 and save $8.7. It does expire on the 21st, but out of pocket you'll pay $8.07, and then you could submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. It's a limit of 5 times, so you're going to get $3 more back there, making that final cost $5.07 total, or basically just $1.69 each. And this is for the men's and women's, so you know you could mix and match or however you want to do it, but it's a really great deal. One other thing I want to remind you about is there is a summer clearance event going on. If you go check out your clearance sections, you're going to get an additional 30% off of what is already marked, and there are some things that are up to 50% off. My particular store here in Northern Kentucky is going through a huge remodel, so I feel like everything is on clearance there, or I mean, like they're trying to clean out everything. So it's pretty crazy. It's kind of fun. Normally, I don't think I've ever seen Meijer with this much clearance locally here at all. So it's kind of a great deal. Plus, with that extra additional savings, it's amazing. So hopefully you are getting to take advantage of this summer clearance event in your particular store. Let me know if you find any good deals. I know I have found some amazing deals, but there's a few deals I'm still sitting on, hoping that they drop again so that I can grab for an even better price. Okay guys, that's all I have for you. If you like this video, please, 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 please give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure you share it with a friend. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Go to the description box below. Join me on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Of course, you know, if you need any printable coupons for any reason, or if you need Ibotta or Fetch or anything, I have all those referral codes in the description box below. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.